the volleyball. It's the Mike and Get Show. And it is the best fun show ever by me. So it's a fish show. Okay. And this is my teacup pup, Scruffy.
Oh yeah.
Stay away from her. She'll bite you.
Here's something. Wanting chocolate Skittles? Well, you got your wish.
Chocolate Skittles. Soon they'll might be vanilla. It comes in s'mores, vanilla, chocolate caramel, chocolate pudding, and brownie batter. And this is Stack Cup. If you want chocolate pudding, okay. That is Irma. Who cares?
I can't believe it's not butter.
Go for spray show. Win. And vote spray show.
Okay. Vote spray show.
We won't need that Skittle chocolate pudding because we had chocolate pudding. Thank you.
Okay, Mom. Stop
People
doing
are
that.
straight.
Okay.
So,
Mom, the last show is over.
Bye.